My job right now is figuring out systems, programs, opportunities to help people get hired in Hollywood faster. There are very few reliable resources out there on the internet, and I'm trying to be one of them. A lot of people who end up working at management companies, studios, networks, and production companies start off at talent agencies. They get that graduate level education. After you become a talent agency assistant, you actually have it's kind of like a gold star on your resume. And you'll see in job descriptions, talent agency experience preferred. It's because they know how difficult it is. They know you've been put through the ringer. They know that you've succeeded in the toughest environment in Hollywood. So a lot of people, once they graduate from the agency world, most people don't want to be agents. They go and they work for one of these companies. The mailroom process is a process by which you get in at one of the major talent agencies and you literally start in the mailroom, pushing a mail cart while wearing a beautiful outfit, because you have to look the part in Hollywood, and you push the mail cart through many floors of corporate offices delivering mail, understanding who the agents are, understanding who the clients are, meeting with Hollywood assistants, going to lunch with them, networking, trying to get yourself out of the mailroom so that you can start your career. I started my career at ICM's mailroom. I networked my way across the country. So before I moved across country, I called it sowing the seeds. I called all my friends in California, I called all my friends in Los Angeles, and I said, hey, I want to move to LA. I understand I need to start in the mailroom. If and when I move to Los Angeles, when I land, will you be able to pass my resume on to one of these agencies? And I had three people that did that for me. And within a week of landing in Los Angeles, I got into the CEO of ICM at the time, Jeff Berg's office, within a week of landing here. So if you have the privilege of being a talent agency assistant, you literally get to hear, because you're on every single one of your boss's calls, which is so cool, you get to hear deals being made in Hollywood. When I became an agency assistant, I got to hear how deals were made on Game of Thrones, Boardwalk Empire, Modern Family, and that was at the tail end of Breaking Bad. So my style is, I give tough love because I want you guys to succeed. I honestly believe that if you are more prepared for the hard stuff in life, you will go farther. You need to become a tough cookie. And if you don't have administrative experience, aka being in a desk, answering phone calls, answering emails, understanding business etiquette, you need to start putting yourself in that scenario, because if you want a desk job in entry-level Hollywood, the kind of desk job that can open up doors for you at an agency, for example, you need to have top-notch administrative skills. If you want to be on the production side of things, like a PA or a director, cinematographer, producer, a lot of people who want to be on the production side of things can start off at talent agencies or management companies, and then they slowly kind of transition over into the production side through their connections. These are the skills you have to build now that you're here in school that you need to show on your resume to really make yourself stand out. How do you prepare to be a Hollywood assistant? Here I am telling you it's going to be the hardest job you ever had in your life, but you're just a student, you're just studying. How can I possibly prepare? I'll tell you how you should prepare. So as a Hollywood assistant, you're a bona fide phone operator. And this is kind of hard for our generation because we're all used to being on our phones and texting, right? You're going to need to get over that, and you're going to have to start embracing the phone. A huge part of your life as a Hollywood assistant will be connecting calls for your boss. This is an actual resume I worked on with a client. He got hired by ICM after we worked together. So this is an example, I call it my golden resume, and this is the template I use with all of my clients. So I'm giving this to you today. Take it and run with it. Use this as your template. Okay. So I want to thank you guys so much for having me and for listening and for being here today. It says a lot about you that you want to learn, that you're serious about this. And thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.